Dear friends, have you noticed when you are in low mood, when you are in depression, when you are struggling to come out of the situation, or you have a plan, you are marching towards the plan, but you can't be able to achieve it because of lack of motivation. In other way around, in a relationship, it could be a couples, or it could be between husband and wife, or it could be any other family relationship, or it could be at your official work, whatever the way you don't expect, but that is happening. All these things you really want to come out of it, isn't it? Then why we are not able to come out of it? I like to start with little scientific way of explaining this. This entire cosmos, this entire universe is running based on magnetic force. The same magnetic force which is really working within ourselves, outside of ourselves. So, to understand this, then we can easily come out of it, whatever the situation we are struggling. How? There is a sweet, you like a chocolate. How you feel the taste of a chocolate? For example, your chocolate has 20 magnetic unit. To get the taste when you chew inside your mouth, to get that feel of taste, your magnetic energy raises to 20 units. Then you start feeling it. What happens when you continuously eating chocolates? Suppose you eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes more than 10. You don't feel like eating, isn't it? Because our magnetic energy started lowering because it was not able to get into the level of 20 units. 20 units I'm just taking as an example. So same thing, when there is a mind problem, when there is lack of concentration, when there is absolutely no way of what you're supposed to do, when there is a crunch situation or any chaotic situation, because we are lacking magnetic energy. There are so many ways one can get the magnetic energy. I always say it is magnetic bath. We take physical bath. Why do we take physical bath? To cleanse our external body, to make sure that the heat energy, the 37 degrees Celsius, has to be maintained all the time. So we always make sure that we take shower whenever we get up in the morning. In ancient time, people used to take shower twice a day. It's really unfortunate, even people don't even take shower in the morning because they want to start focusing on the work, what they do, but they don't understand the science behind taking shower. So same thing, I really want to come back to the way of this magnetic energy, maintaining the magnetic energy or increasing the magnetic energy. That is what you want us to do. You increase the magnetic energy by doing sound sleep, deep sleep, without having any dreams. Then your magnetic energy will be improved. That's what in ancient days or in even modern days, when somebody having some emotional issue, what we suggest is, please take a nap, go and take rest and come back with fresh energy. That the fresh energy is nothing but magnetic energy. The same thing. One can get it through meditation, one can get it through relaxation, one can getting it through eating some high pranic foods like sprouted foods. Whatever the high pranic foods, you can get it. And one of my masters, Vedatri Maharishi, he teaches a class called magnetic bath class. Is nothing but Kaya Kalpa. This Kaya Kalpa, Kaya is body. So this body, how we can increase the magnetic energy inside our body, that is nothing but Kaya Kalpa. This class is available throughout the globe. You can search Sky Society in your area, or you can search Simplified Kundalini Yoga in the internet, then you will find this information. And then search Kaya Kalpa Yoga. There are so many ways we can increase the magnetic energy. And also we need to practice maintaining the magnetic energy. We are losing the weight whenever we do the excess of the activities. It could be any activities. It could be physical pleasure. It could be anything in terms of working on something or working on a goal. Putting so much effort for nothing. Why? So please focus on balancing your magnetic energy. Magnetic bath is very important because that is the only way to come out of the depression or any kind of low energy syndrome. Because when we are in low energy, we always mind won't work. When we are in low energy, we won't get solution. When we are in low energy, we can't even find a way to sort out your relationship issues. When you are in low energy, you always feel that time is too much. You don't feel like time goes so fast because the low energy. We call it as multiple way. We call it this is a depression. We call it as this is something I don't have the way to go out. I don't know what is the way out. But I tell you, the only way out is way in. The way in is all about having this magnetic bath. So make sure that you do the magnetic bath in the morning when you do the shower, and do some meditation and do some practices, relaxation practices. Learn this Kaya Kalpa Yoga from Arul Tandai Vedatri Maharishi, and you definitely, if you do it for 48 days, I can see that you will definitely do that. This is my 21 years of experience. Based on my experience, I am telling this truth. So make sure that we have this magnetic bath which exists in and around us. We have to capitalize. Then rest of the things will be taken care automatically with the help of masters, with the help of this universe, and things are all right.